Hey guys, Danny Schaefer back with another video, and a little bit different today. I have something that just arrived that I want to show you. Check this out. Hang on a second. This guy, can you see that? Huh? Can you see it? Hyperlite mountain gear. I finally got my own backpack and I'm so excited. It just came. I've been dying to do an unboxing video of what I've got. Okay, so this is a Hyperlite mountain gear pack that I just got, like I just said. And most people are familiar with Hyperlite, but if you're not, quick backstory. So they're a company based out of Maine, so all their packs, all their products are made here in the USA, which is pretty awesome. They're kind of known for their lightweight, high quality products, and that's kind of what led me to get this pack. I've been researching packs for a long time, finally decided to land on this one for the pack that I wanted to get. So the pack that I got, it's called the 3400 Junction. So let's get into the unboxing. I have been so excited. I have never actually had my own pack. I've made enough backpacking videos, but the pack that I've used has been a hand-me-down, and it's never quite fit right. I look like I'm just hunched over the whole time, and it's really uncomfortable, actually. So I have never been more excited for backpacking season to start. Oh, look at that. Things are flying out. This is the Hyperlite mountain gear 3400 Junction. So I can figure this thing out. It's really known as Hyperlite's all-around most versatile pack. They advertise it on their website for being used on the Pacific Crest Trail. You can really take it anywhere and it's going to hold up for you. So it's really kind of categorized and known by this center mesh pocket, which again they advertise for if you have wet clothing, you can put it in this mesh pocket, and then essentially you can dry it out while you're on the move, while you're on the hike. And then it also has these two solid panel hardline Dyneema pockets on the sides, and so that's kind of what categorizes it out here. Essentially, the inside of this pack, I honestly didn't know there was Velcro on this, so bear with me here. The inside of this pack has an internal volume of 55 liters. So it's advertised as the Junction 3400, which the 3400 means 55 liters. So they have other packs in their lineup. 2400 is 40 liters, 4400 is 70 liters, and so on. But when it says 3400 liters, it's 55 liters of internal volume. So that's everything on the inside here, not counting the outside storage. So the outside storage gives you about 10 liters of space to use as well for storage. So really it comes into about a 65 liter pack. So on the inside it's very spacious, as you can kind of see, and it actually has a mesh pocket down here that you can put a 1 or 2 liter water bladder in for drinking your water. And then somewhere on the side here, on the back, is a place for your bladder to actually come out of, so it can go around your shoulder and then you can drink it. Has a little pouch right here on the left side. So all of Hyperlite's packs are made out of Dyneema, which is a nearly waterproof material. It's also known as DCF, which is known as Dyneema Composite Fabrics, formerly known as Cuban fiber. To find out more about that, let's actually go to the computer so I can explain it a little bit better. Okay, so I just wanted to pop over to Hyperlite's main website really quick, and on it they have a page written out that's dedicated to describing Dyneema and the materials they use to construct their packs and other products. I also wanted to take this time to say that I'm not sponsored in any way by Hyperlite Mountain Gear, and I'm not getting paid to promote their products in any way. Their gear is just something I've personally done a lot of research on, and I believe in it. Okay, so let's kind of hit on the bullet points of Dyneema fiber. I'll let you guys read this first huge paragraph, a lot of big words, and I don't think I can probably keep up with it. But the second paragraph here just kind of describes it a little bit. It says it's 15 times stronger than high quality steel. It's lightweight, extremely durable, waterproof, and resistant to UV light and chemicals. If you kind of go down here a little bit more, it describes it as being highly durable but light enough to float on water. It says the material's unique properties allow for continual flex at stress points without compromising strength or structural integrity. And then it kind of goes on to just describe it a little bit more, talks about the type of Dyneema they use in packs, and really this page is just really helpful if you're interested in learning more about the Dyneema fabric that they use in constructing their packs. Okay, so kind of how this pack works is, obviously it's really spacious inside, right? So you fill everything you need to, you store it however you want, and then you use this roll top fold it down, and then you have your buckles that come up. And then you can cinch it down. And that's how you close and you secure the pack. Kind of like that. Obviously you can get it a lot tighter. But they advertise it on their website, whereas if you don't have to fill up the space all the way, you can actually compress it down to be more like a 40-liter pack. So again, this pack weighs 2 pounds, and the black version weighs 2.15 pounds, and the only reason there's a slight weight difference is because of the black dye they have to use to make it black. So on the bottom of the pack here, you have 2 fairly spacious hip belts, also made of the hardline Dyneema. That'll really add for a lot of storage protection and, you know, high quality strength of your pack. It is so light, it's crazy. So 1 hip belt pocket, 2 hip belt pockets. You have a whistle on the chest strap. It's actually not bad. It's gonna hurt my ears. And it's really just gonna be an all-around super light, versatile pack that really you can use anywhere. So one thing about the Dyneema is that they say it's nearly waterproof. The actual Dyneema is a 100% waterproof material, but because they have to make seams, they have to stitch, it creates these little micro holes. And so they try to patch it up the best as they can, but they can't get it completely waterproof because of all the holes in the stitches. So that's why they don't advertise it as being a 100% waterproof pack. It's just because of the stitching and really how they have to construct the pack. So the load capacity for this 3400 Junction pack is 40 pounds, which is absolutely insane for a pack that weighs 2 pounds. That's crazy. Okay, so that pretty much wraps up the initial unboxing and the initial impression of the pack. And with the pack, I did order a few more accessories that totally got sold on, but I'm actually pretty excited about. And I'm planning on making a separate video to kind of show them more and to really review them, but I thought I'd just give you guys a quick peek at what I got. So I'm just gonna kind of pull them out randomly and let you know what I got. So this is the large stuffed sack pillow by Hyperlite. I've been kind of on a quest to find a new way to really sleep comfortably when I'm backpacking, and I haven't really been too impressed with my blow up. I think it's the Seed Summit pillow, and it just hasn't been very comfortable. So maybe I fell for this one, maybe I didn't, but essentially it's just a stuffed sack and you put your clothing in there, and the thought is that you're supposed to sleep on it at night. I have put a few clothes in here, down jacket, and it seems like it could be actually pretty comfortable. So that's one. The next goodie that I got, this is the shoulder pocket or shoulder pouch, and so it actually goes on the strap of the pack right here, and it just provides for a little extra storage. Has a nice little mesh pouch right in the front, and then just a little more storage so you can put you know, a protein bar, your phone. You can really put anything in there. Your Garmin InReach, it can really be used for anything. So next, to kind of go along with that, this is called the Versa, and so it's a fanny pack, right? And it's pretty versatile in the sense that, yeah, it can be used as a fanny pack, but it can also be connected to the waist strap of your pack, and it can also go to the sternum strap. It can be attached anywhere, and that's because in the back here, it has this little pouch that your waist strap can slide through, and then essentially, really, I mean, it just makes a fanny pack for your pack. That makes sense. But it provides a whole lot more storage. So I'm planning on you can put a small water bottle in here. Like it's really spacious. More food, you know, 1 pocket, 2 pocket, nice little mesh pocket in here. And then it also has a nice little key strap on it as well. And then of course has a little secret hidden pocket back here. So really the options are endless with this guy. And I'm pretty excited to just kind of add it to my arsenal for the pack. But then again, say you get to your destination, you can always clip it on your waist, you know, without even using your pack, and you can adventure off for a day hike from wherever you backpacked into. Next, I just bought one of their little drawstring stuff sacks. There's really not much to it. This is all made out of Dyneema, so really lightweight. It's just a stuff sack, keeps you organized. And the next are the storage pods. So these storage pods are advertised by Hyperlite on their website to fit directly into your pack, and it's really just used to help you stay organized. And so I bought a small pod and I bought a large pod, and they're not huge. You know, I was like actually expecting them to be a little bit bigger, but I can see these really coming in handy just for staying organized and packing your pack properly. So you could use one for food, you could use one for clothing. Really the options are endless. I just bought these so I can maybe just, again, be more organized, and instead of just throwing things randomly in my pack like I have in the past. So that's these, and that's kind of all the accessories that I bought with the pack. Again, I plan on doing an individual video kind of reviewing them once I get some time to actually use the accessories that I bought. Okay, so earlier in the video, I mentioned that I'm not being paid and I'm not being sponsored by Hyperlite Mountain Gear to make this video or promote their products. That is 100% true. However, I am an affiliate with the company, meaning that down in the description box, you'll find a link to their website, and you'll actually find links to their products. That means if you were to follow that link and if you were to purchase a product just like you normally would, that I'll actually receive a small commission on behalf of making the sale. So I just wanted to mention that to you guys. If you are interested and you really want to support this channel, which I would really appreciate, go down to the description box, click on the links, buy a product like you normally would, because a little bit comes back to me and it really helps support the channel, and I can't tell you guys how much I actually appreciate it. So I just wanted to touch base on that really quick and let you guys know that I do have these links down in the description, and they really help support the channel. And everything that I make off of these affiliate sales will go right back into the channel towards camera gear, anything, you name it. Alright, so with that, I'm going to end the video. That is the review for the Hyperlite Junction 3400 pack. So if you guys were wondering about cost, the cost comes in starting at $355 US. I'm so excited, but I know I've said excited, I think, probably 20 times this video, but I'm so excited to try it out and actually go backpacking. The weather's warming up, backpacking season will be here before we know it. So thank you guys so much for watching. Be sure to click that like button down below, drop a comment, and always be sure to subscribe to the channel. Again, I appreciate all the feedback, all the support everyone has been giving me the last couple months. Let's keep it up, let's keep going. Thanks again, and we'll see you on the next one.